Hey, so if you want to create clean, professional documents without using complicated tools, yeah, Canva Docs is actually a great option. You can design, write, and format everything in one place. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to create professional documents in Canva Docs step by step. So let's jump in. First, go to Canva and open Docs. You can start from a blank page or choose a ready-made template if you want a faster start. Now pick a layout that matches your goal, whether it's a report, proposal, or resume. Templates can save you a lot of time and keep things looking professional. Next, start writing your content. Use headings, subheadings, and body text to keep everything organized. Yeah, good structure makes a huge difference. Now customize your document with fonts, colors, and spacing. Try to keep things consistent, like using the same font pair and color scheme throughout. To make your document stand out, add visuals like images, icons, or even charts. Just don't overdo it. Keep it clean and balanced. Canva Docs also has AI tools like Magic Write that can help you generate or refine content. It's useful if you're stuck or need ideas. Before you finish, review your document. Check for spelling, spacing, and overall layout. Make sure everything looks clean and easy to read. Finally, you can share your document with others or export it as a PDF or other format. Just choose what works best for you. So, yeah, that's how you create professional documents in Canva Docs. Keep your design simple, stay consistent, and you'll get great results. All right, thanks.